In today's tutorial, I'm going to show you guys how to limit or reduce the CPU usage of a program or process in Task Manager on your Windows computer. So this should hopefully be a pretty straightforward process here, guys. And without further ado, let's go ahead and jump right into it. So all you have to do is right-click on the Start button on Windows 11, on Windows 10 and earlier versions of Windows. Just right-click on the taskbar and select the Task Manager. You want to select the Details tab. Right-click on whatever process or program you're having the problem with, and you might notice a little icon next to it, so that might help you locate the program here. And you're going to select where it says Set Priority, and you're going to set it to anything between high and low. Do not set anything to real time, but I recommend setting it to probably below normal or low. And then once you've done that, it should save it for while you're in this current session here. And it appears that some processes will not let you adjust that, but if I set it for this Office application, for example, it should let me do that here. You may also want to right-click on the process and select where it says Set Affinity. And now if you want to allow how many cores the process has access to, you can adjust them here. If you just want to allow it to have access to one, you can. And then once you're done making that selection as well, you can select OK. And that's pretty much it. So as always, thank you guys for watching this brief tutorial. I do hope I was able to help you out, and I do look forward to catching you all in the next tutorial. Goodbye.